Welcome in once again, guys. We're here to feed that Yu-Gi-Oh cardboard addiction, guys. You guys already know. Here we have Cashier Fenrir, a card about what we're going to talk about today. Cards I would be buying right now. Contrary to popular belief, I'm not buying bananas right now. A lot of people, FOMOing in, getting deals. That's fine. You're going to find people getting deals, most people getting burned, but that's okay. There's deals and steals with any product, pre-sales, day one. That's good. We don't do that here. We wait. Patience wins this game. So in the meantime, there's other cards that people are not looking at right now. I love these type of markets. When a big massive product comes out, everyone's focusing on that and they forget that every other Yu-Gi-Oh card exists. So there's plenty and ample opportunity in the markets of cards you could be looking at to be buying right now. So let's get to it. Cashier Fenrir, guys. A card that is still at 3. A card that is a mini engine in itself, a card that is still broken, and it's just a great card, guys. It's Fenrir. It didn't get reprinted in Bonanza. I don't know why. Maybe they're gonna wait until Rarity Collection 4. I mean, it's all about the ban list. I mean, I don't think they'll hit this in the list anymore. One, because it's just not as impactful as before, and two, they'll probably wait, to reprint this in Rarity Collection 4 before nuking this. But it's all speculation. The card. Look at that. Card was 10s and some change. Massive volume spike. Wait, why this chart looks like that? There we go. Let's go to the 3-month. And here, look at that. It's bumping up to 1120s, guys. And then it's 12s. And then you come back and it's 13s. And then you wake up one day and it's 15 bones and beyond. Don't be that guy. If you need your Fenrirs, you get them now. You buy them now. While everyone is focusing on Bonanza, look at that. Look what happened to Lubellis. They were 10s we told you guys to buy. And look at it. The most expensive card of the 10 right now. If I'm not mistaken. Parabolic. Look at that. 25 bones a pop pushing 30s. Ridiculousness, guys. Again, I'm not saying that necessarily this is going to be a $25 to $30 card. But could it 2x from 10 bones when we told you to buy it? Yeah. 15s is the goal. 20s is the stretch goal. Right there. The play is now. Don't be that guy coming in too late. If you need this card, you get it now. You pick it up now. Right now. You pay 35s post-tax. You get access to the card. Don't be that guy paying $50 instead of 35s. Eventually, you're going to be able to have a 4th copy if you get them right now for the same amount of money. You know what I mean? And still have $5 left to spare. So the point is, you come in early. You get this broken card. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Then we have Relinquish Anima. Right here, guys. Quarter Century Secret Rare. I'm telling you, there's so much money to be made with the 10s. That's what we've been saying week after week after week. We always talk about a couple of 10 cards. I'd be buying this Quarter Century Secret now. They were 2s when we were talking about it. Now they're 3s. Then you're going to be coming back one day, and there's going to be a $5 Quarter Century with the potential of being a double-digi Quarter Century Secret Rare in the future. People were paying 7 to 8 bones across the board for both prints before this Quarter Century. What do you think they're going to be willing to pay for the max rarity version? Like, it's too easy, guys. 3 bones, excuse me, you come in here right now, you get exposure, $10. You put in 10 billies right now, play set, slap it on the binder, forget about it. Look, we're already bumping up here. This is the sign, guys. We consolidated, people forgot about it. We have the first bump up, nothing too crazy like a parabolic move, so people are not aware. They're not aware. They're just not looking at this, guys. This is the value that we provide. Easy money. This is going to be a $5 card in no time, of course. You're going to have the walls of China. That's good. You need those walls there so that you can accumulate. Do not sleep on Anima. It already had the first little bump up. Those are the signs that people are not looking in the charts. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. This is what you want to see. You want to see consolidation? This bump up here is the validation of future price increase, guys. Don't let this continue on up. Parabolic. You want to be early. You want to be early. Don't be that guy. You want to get exposure to this card. We told you guys. Great penny stocks in the 10s. We told you guys. Don't listen to the noise. There's amazing penny stocks in the 10s. Amazing opportunities to make money. But people are not willing to listen, man. They're 10s are trash. Now I don't want anything from the 10s anymore. This, that, and the third. They're going to come back a month, 2 months, 3 months down the road. And they're going to see a card that was 2 bones at 3s, at 5s, at 10s. And then they're going to need it. And they're like, damn, bro. could have bought down 3x down. Shit, I should have listened to that guy Jay with the crystal ball, man. Crystal ball's undefeated. Then we got here, what? Damn, where are these loading, man? We loaded these. My bad, guys. We have Salomon Great, Sunlight, Wolf, Ghost, Rare. As we can see here, no one's looking at this card. A Ghost Rare, who cares, Jay, right? Okay, I'm talking about the opportunity of making money. Look at that. Look at that. This card says 27s, volumes coming in, and then it's pushing up to 30s. And here we are. Here we are, $30. And then quickly, 40s. At the bottom of the page, you do have a play set here and then an R06. But after that, it's 40s and beyond. 2 pages only, 16 listings. This card, you got to listen, is extremely scarce. People didn't crack open Legendary Duelist Soul Burning Volcano. Other than Salomon Great Raging Phoenix, you know, there was one of these ultras. I think it was a Salomon Great of Fire. That's crazy. This card got ridiculous at one point. Let me go to the yearly. This card used to be, it says 16s. Nah, it used to be even more. Like 20s or even 30s at one point. I think it was 20. Insane. And now this is freemium. But yeah, no one was cracking this open. Like, what did people want from here? Like, there's nothing here. There's literally like one card that people wanted and then the Ghost Rare. And that's about it. Everything else, $2 and below for the most part. There's one expression here and one there, but valueless, right? No one was buying these packs. Look at that. Boxes at $23. Why? Pull rates are terrible. Impossible to get the cards you want. So again, when you see that this is a Ghost Rare behind a paywall of a product that is not expensive, but no one's buying because the pull rates are terrible. So it's extremely scarce. So could this card be 40 to 50s? Sure, man. So if you're looking for a safe investment, relatively safe, you know that is a Ghost Rare, one of the higher rarities in Yu-Gi-Oh. This is a heavy stunk that I would be looking at right now. Then we have the Deception of the Sinful Spoils. We've been telling you guys, look at that. These are the small, tiny signs, guys. The small, tiny signs. First of all, overall, you see consolidation. And then second of all, you see this spike here, little spike. These are the buy signals. Volume is healthy. Guys, again, don't let this be a $50 card. People are getting all the pieces now that they need. They got them in the tins. They got them in Bonanza. This is a core set, latest core set, secret rare, please. Please, guys. Yes, you see the 22s, you know, the walls there and playsets here and there, but don't sleep on this card. I believe this will be a $50 card not too long from now, with the potential pushing up even to 55s and maybe even 60s, guys. So again, there's a range between $10 to $20, you know, that people will eventually end up paying for this card as a premium, I believe, because the card is still performing. Of course. Keep in mind, it's like a gap zone. You know, we invented the gap zone for the time period between the tins and Bonanza, and now we have this gap zone between now and the release of Crossover Breakers, where this card will be relevant, and I believe it could still go up, you know, those prices that we just mentioned. Then we have Trident Dragon. Again, when you see a card like this, you want to buy lower. You want to buy closer to the lows than to the highs. You don't want to be that guy day one paying $20 for a $5-6 card. But now you're closer to the lows. Now volume is healthy. Now you buy this card at 7 bones. Don't be that guy. Right now you could get $20, get a playset. Don't be that guy paying double digits soon and eventually, you know, possibly even 15s. This is a clean 2x in the making. A clean 2x in the making. Easy peasy. There it is, right in front of us, man. I mean, these opportunities, they're just there waiting for you to capitalize on it, man. Gee, I'm going to be picking this card back up. Sold mine. I had a playset. Sold it just in case it came in Bonanza. It didn't, so now I'm going to pick at least one up. And if I can, I'm going to place it before this card becomes double digits. Double digits. Don't forget about it, man. Tenpai, still relevant in the meta. More than relevant right now. And even in the future, I think it still has a spot in the meta as well. It always is one of them shotgun decks. You know, like they just come, block. If things go right, they do what it does, and it could beat you, you know, in a blink of an eye. Then we have LZ of the White Forest. Another one. Excuse me, guys. Another one here. This is what you want to buy, the retracements. You know, if you missed the lows and the teens, 20s, and then you waited because you didn't FOMO in at 40s when it was up 2x, 100% increase, and you want to buy halfway down. The move halfway down between 20 and 40 is 30. But here you get a $5 off. So again, not bad at all to get exposure to this card. Don't let this be 30, 35s before you decide to get your copies. You buy now, you sell right before Supreme Darkness. Easy peasy. What a beautiful trade. You know, right here with regards to this card. You know, get at 25s, probably sell near all-time highs, and you know, reap them rewards. Or if you need it because you want to play with the new support, then you want to get them now. You don't want to be that guy FOMOing in at above 40 Billies down the line. We have Diviner of the Herald. Again, this one, I like this one. I like this card as an ultimate rare. It was 13s, bumping up to 16s, and here we are. Here we are. You want to get exposure. Anywhere from 1 to 3 of these, anywhere from 15s to 50s, if it's a playset. Not bad, not bad. Again, just to get exposure, you know, for this card, 40 listings as a beautiful ultimate rare. Not bad to have access to it with this specific rarity, because you just never know. You just never know. These OTs, they're cheap today. They can spike up tomorrow when you least expect it. So definitely one as an ultimate rare that you should keep on your radar. Then we have Runic Tip, guys. Runic Tip, again, just the tip, guys. Right here, you're buying near the lows. Again, another one that I expected to come in Bonanza. But again, they won't reprint everything in Bonanza. They might leave it for the next Bonanza. Quarter Century Bonanza 2 is coming to a theater near you pretty soon, probably by May next year. So I think that's where we'll see cards like this. But right now, again, if you need the Runic engine, if you need to have access to the card, you know, at around $5, that's good, man. You come in, you get your tips, and you have access to the card for your deck. It's still a great engine. Don't sleep on it. And especially, yeah, you do see massive walls in China, but we just don't know when this card is getting reprinted again now. So, you know, could it get hit on the list? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't. Right now, the next ban list, like, I don't see anything that I'm like, yo, you know, we need to hit this, we need to hit that. You know what I mean? I think the last ban list was pretty good. Of course, there's always things they could do better. But I think that the game is in a healthy place in the sense getting ready into crossover breakers. Everyone's tired of Snake Eye. That's just the only thing. But once crossover breakers comes out, then I think that the game will be in a healthier place. You know, just receiving those fresh new engines, fresh new deck cores that are broken, so we can finally stop seeing Snake Eye. Jesus Christ. And we have a Destructive Daruma Karma Cannon, a card from the tin previous to this year's tins. The tin that everyone also said was trash, because people are saying that tins are trash nowadays. But again, this card used to be $2 to $3 back in the day, and now going parabolic thanks to Lab Hype here. Look at that. Probably don't know. Probably don't know. We talked about this card at $7, $7.50. Said, guys, pick this card up for its double digis, especially thanks to the Lab Hype. We literally talked about this card the other day, and look at it. You have a 1 up there, but it's a double digi card, guys. Quickly goes to 11s. Yeah, you do have the massive wall of China, but now the wall is at 11s, not at 750s. So again, that's what, like a and what is that? From 750s to 25%, was like 30, 35%. I'm bad at math, guys, but it's an increase for sure. Right there, 2 pages, 18 listings right here. And look at that. Look at it. You're starting to see the curvature, man. But this curvature, we're really up here at the previous all-time high. Chart hasn't updated yet with massive volume. Lab Hype, man. Please. We told you guys at $7.50s to snipe these up. Now it's $11. Again, hey, and if you need it, you're going to have to pay a premium. But when we saw this didn't come in Bonanza, we immediately talked about this card as a snipe, as a card you should have been buying. Crimson Dragon, another one here. Again, some of these cards that we talk about, you know, they could be, you know, privy to a ban list. So keep that in mind. But again, if you need the card, if you don't have the card, if you needed to play it, things of that nature, why not, man? This card used to be 20 bones. Look at that. Look at that. Let me read. Why is this chart looking? There we go. So again, this is a healthy pattern here. You had the first spike. You have consolidation here, and now it seems we're going to have the second leg up status into where? Double digis, man. So again, don't let this be 10s, 11s like the Daruma Karma Cannon. Destructive, the room. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. You come in now at 7s. Don't be that guy paying 10s and above for this card. Yes, you see the massive walls of China, but all these cards have walls of China. And then you come back and the walls are gone. Because the demand little by little, quietly, when no one's paying attention to this card, you know, is leaving the markets, and then you come back and the single digi card becomes double digits. Look at that. Wake up your elemental hero. When I see stuff like this at all-time lows and I see walls of China of 600 copies, I'm a happy camper. I just am, man. I love the supply because $5 gets you a playset of these. Love it. Anytime I can add these in a cart or pick these up at locals or this or that and the third, bro, you're gonna find me. You're gonna find me. Just scooping these up, putting them in a tin or in a binder, and forgetting about these. Because there's no way this $1.65 card is not $5 in the future. There's just no way. You're sitting on an easy 3x. Easy 3x. You're telling me hero players are now going to be willing to pay $5 for this quarter century once it gets harder to get, and the tins get harder to get and things of that nature? Man, stop kidding yourself, man. $5 easy down the line. Easy money. Easy work right here. So definitely something to keep in mind as we move forward. Beautiful penny stocks from the tins. I would be buying cards like these right now. Yeah, people are going to go crazy. Bananas, I need this, I need that. That's true. That's true. Me right now, I'm going to be opening my box of Bonanza, rolling the dice for the funsies for the channel. Let's see what we pull. It better not be Crystal Shark, man. Shout out to Andrew, man. He pulled Crystal Shark. What is Crystal Shark, man? Let me see, man. Crystal Shark. It best not be that, bro. If I pull that on my video, bro, what? Man, get out of here, bro. Yo, I'm telling you, bro. Yo, this is going to be a meme card, bro. Like, we should do a meme around this card or something, bro. Yo. Man, they did us wrong, man. But again, guys, that's what I'm going to be doing. With Bonanza, I'm going to be picking up my box, opening for the funsies. Now, I'll be trading. I'll be trading for small stuff. Penny stonks, things I need. Platinum Secret Rare, Nostalgia, Boomer in me. I'll be, oh, yo, Exile Force. Yeah, I want that. Oh, yeah, I want this. I want for my decks. Just trading for chump change, shekels. And that's fine. We play the little game. We could do that now. When I go to locals next week, just play the little game. But the big game, when you want to invest in $5 cards and $10 cards and double digits, we wait. We wait for the markets to bring the prices to me, to us. Prices we want, not the prices that Billy Bob is willing to pay. Then we have Imseti, Glory of Horus. Guys, the Horus package, again, King Sarcophagus right here as well. If you need these cards, no need to wait. No need to wait. Excuse me. Could these cards get reprinted in Maze of Master or in a Rarity Collection 4? Sure. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. But again, Imseti's at 18s. Look at that. You can see the clear recovery here, and this is just the beginning. I expect this to be a $20 card. Supply is big. Supply is great. Supply is large right now. Look at that. Massive walls of China. Hundreds of copies at around 18s. But that's good. That's going to get gobbled up pretty quickly. This is going to be a $20 card pretty soon, with a projection of 25s, thanks to no reprint. Excuse me, guys. Inside of Bonanza. So again, Imseti's at 18s. That's a snipe. King Sarcophagus at around 5s. That's a snipe, man. My bad, guys. Yo, I have something like in my throat. That's my bad. But there, yeah, right there, $5. Prismatic Secrets. There you go. Easy peasy. Easy money, man. Don't be that guy. People forget this card was double digits. This card was double digits. People were paying 10, 11, 12 for this card. And now you got a $5 Prismatic Secret, perfect min-max rarity. Do not sleep on this card. This is what you buy. On the 3, look at this beautiful chart. You didn't buy at 2s, at 3s. You thankfully missed out at 8s. So between 2 and 8, the midway point, it's what? $5? Can't make this stuff up. 50% halfway. Hey, 50% discount right there. Beautiful retracement back down to the mean. This is when you buy this card. After the spike, if you missed out, you buy them now. No one's looking at these charts. Look at this volume. You can see those the volume candles right there. They're higher here than they were all throughout these weeks, these days, these weeks here, guys. This is what when you see, these are buy signals, man. When you see buy volume here spiking into the retracement back down to the mean, halfway down, a clear buy signal. These are cards to buy right now, and we're sitting on this here, looking at the card. There's going to be 750s and then 10s. Don't be that guy that misses out. Chaos Angel, same deal. We see it here. It was 15s when we talked about it. Now it's 17s. When we're talking about it, then we're going to come back And after this, Wallet China is going to be 20s when we talk about it next, and eventually 25s. Don't be that guy that pays a premium for a card that everyone needs, especially with the lab hype. Again, guys, don't pay. No need to pay a premium, man. We don't know when this card is getting reprinted. We just don't. We don't know when it's getting reprinted. Again, we don't. Miss Bonanza, so Mesa Master, if so. But if not, Rarity Collection 4, if we get the product. It's all speculation, but this is going to be $25 in the short term with the potential being 30s. At the end of the day, when everything is all said and done, I believe when we first talked about it at 15s, post-Bonanza release, 2x when everything is said and done. So you don't want to be that guy that misses out, man. Guys, don't forget, just follow us over there on X. We're doing giveaways through there. We just got off, fresh off the press, our tin giveaway. Shout out to the winners. You know, we gave away 2 tins. You don't want to miss out, guys. Come on, swing over here. Show some love for your boy. You want some Billy Bob's? Link in the description down below. And then, look, right here, X. Link in the description down below. Come follow your boy. And then in the Discord, we continue to grow. Shout out to the giveaway winner. All those prizes will be shipping out soon. You know, we gave away the box, multiple tins. We're always giving back on the channel. So shout out to you guys and also to the winners. And Andrew, shout out to Andrew, member of the channel, for hosting that giveaway with the box. Amazing, man. And yeah, if you want your 5-minute strategy right there, you tired of losing money, 5 minutes of your time can reverse that, make you stop losing your hard-earned money, guys. And none of this content is official financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you swing by, show some love, ring that bell, make sure you subscribe, destroy that subscribe and like button. Just double check for your boy. It really goes a long way. And you want to be subscribed. You want to make sure you ring that bell because we're giving away a quarter-century secret rare box. You imagine a quarter-century Bonanza box at 7K. So that's just around the corner. We have Superstar Stereotype Fawn Sky Crisis. Again, another one. Another one. Look at that. It's V-shaped recovery from the retracement is on its way. It was 13s. We told you guys to buy it. Now it's 14s. And then it's going to be 15s and beyond. Don't do that to yourself. You come in now, you snipe this up. Easy peasy from the tins. Didn't come in Bonanza. So again, we expect this to meet. The target is $20. This is going to be 20 bones before you know it, with the potential of being even 25s. Again, you want to pay in the teens. You don't want to pay 20, 25s. Nah, you want to pay under 15 right now. You want to take advantage of this deal compared to future prices, because most extra decks play this at 1. You see top deck after top deck after top deck. Bouncing in Yu-Gi-Oh has always been broken, and most decks, they want to have access to this. They find themselves in a particular situation. They want to make sure they have access to this broken card. Do not sleep on Mr. Sky Crisis. Then we have Bestial Dispater. With the craziness going on with Lubellions again, man, this chart is broken. What in the world? Let me see if I can refresh here. Let's filter it out. That's what I should have done. Where's the filters? There we go. Near mint. Let's clean this up janitor style. Look at that. Okay. So now you're buying at lows, man. All-time lows at $10. Please don't be that guy paying 15s down the line. 43 listings. And engine is broken, man. This steel package, I'm surprised it didn't come in Bonanza, bro. They did us wrong. So many Phyllis Crystal Shark, man. Shit, man. I need to move on, man. We have Guiding Quems again. If you're playing branded, look, you see that little spike there? We were talking about these at 9s. Now they're 1050s. And then the walls are at 11. And then it's going to be a $15 card. So again, you want to make sure that you guys get access to this. Don't sleep on Brandon. Now they have their openings. They have their other cards and coming in quarter centuries. They're going to want to make sure they have their Quems as well. And wow, this thing retraced all the way back down to the scene of the crime. And it's going to retrace. There's going to be a W shape, man, here. We're going to go all the way back up to 15. So again, if you need this card, don't wait. I'd be picking it up right now. While everyone is focusing on Bonanza, I'll come in and snipe this card up. Beautiful, beautiful artwork, by the way. What a beautiful card. You know what I mean? Then we have Grand Granola the Dust Dragon. Again, excuse me, guys. You can see here. Let's clean this up here real quick, and we can see this chart is dead. Man, that's so weird. Why is the chart? Then let's click this here. Oh, man. The patient, he's not living to fight no more, unfortunately. But again, look at that. $2, man. I like this card at 2 bones. Free money down the line. Free money down the line. Can't see the chart, but 60 listings. And again, you come in now. Don't let this be 250s, then 3 bones down the line. This card has the potential of being a $5 card. It has. If it doesn't get any more reprints into an impending Rarity Collection 4 with a quarter century, eventually, I think this card will be $5 before then. So you're sitting on a 2.5x right now. This is a great penny stock to get exposure to. Then we have Spiritual Beast Tamer Lara. Again, now look, Inheritance was going up. Where's that spell? This spell spiked up. I was like, what is going on? So again, look at that. This spell, parabolic from Shekels to Billy's. Look at that, pushing 4 to 5 bones, man. Why? Because now they got Elder, the old dude. Where is he? Is he here? The old dude, the Ritual Beast Tamer Elder or something like that. Let me see. I'm curious now. Jesus Christ, this dude that we told you guys to sell, Yugioh Elder. We told you guys to sell this guy. Yeah. Look at that, free now. He's freemium. Look at that. People were paying 15 bones about a month and a half ago, and we told you guys to sell. Then it went down, and look at that. At 2 weeks ago, we were telling you guys to sell this at double digits in the teens, and now 10x down. People losing all that purchasing power. Why? Because it came in Bonanza. So now people having that expensive piece, they're gonna come in. People that maybe were on the sidelines, that they want to spend the money. Now it's cheaper. So now Lara again. Excuse me. This card was 9 bones, single digits, and look at that. $14, guys, spiking up. So again, if you need this card, we told you guys to sell. In the teens, went to single digits, and now, we're noticing the recovery. So things change, man. 1 week might be time to sell it. A week, 2 weeks down the line, a reprint happens or something happens, and then we have to come back, reassess, and make sure to keep you guys informed. So essentially a $15 card. Crazy. Could be 20s, man. So keep it in mind. Then we have Infinite Impermanence. Don't forget. Yeah, I think probably another common print was announced for the Blue Eye Structure deck. I think that is amazing if it comes in there with all the hand traps. I can't wait. But that is not now. That is that's next year, if I'm not mistaken. So again, before that moment happens, I believe that this card has potential to be a $10 card across the board. $10 card across the board. It has that potential. I'm telling you guys. I mean, the Ultras are already 8s. The Supers here, they're already, 750s. And even a common is $7. This card, I'm telling you guys, had the potential to be a $10 card before it gets reprinted in the structure deck. So again, I'm telling you guys, man, this card was $1 and some change when it came out as a common. That's crazy. Insane. Just the need, the demand. Imperm, man. Imperm has stood the test of time, is always played essentially in all decks. It's just the staple of all metas, man. The best currency, man, right here. To me, even better than Ash, better than any. This is the staple of staples, man. So again, next time, I'm not sleeping on this card. When we get that Blue Eye Structure deck, bro, everyone's gonna be cracking that open. I even pre-ordered the display. We're gonna be giving away a play set of those to the community. And people are gonna crack open a bunch of imprims. We're gonna make sure to discuss that. We're gonna be on top of that move, because if that imprim is cheap, 2-3 bones, man, $10 a playset, you're gonna be making sure you pick up playsets left and right, because that's gonna be easy money in the future. But now in the short term, again, I'd be picking up my imprims. I wouldn't be that guy. I wanted to pay an 25 to 30% premium on a card because I didn't pick it up when I needed to. Ground Zeno, man, this card continues to be at all-time lows here. It says 463s, but yeah, I mean, it's holding 4 to 5 steady, guys. You're buying the lows rather than the highs. And again, this is a card as we enter and curve into consolidation that I would consider buying, because yes, we got a reprint now, but the previous version, again, remember, there's no collector's rare for this card, if I'm not mistaken. This came in the tins, did not come in Bonanza. So again, this is an easy 2x in my humble opinion. Could I wake up one day and see this $4 to $5 card at 10s? Yes. 750s in the short term, eventually 10 bones. So again, if you're just looking for a 2x in the markets, yeah, can it take its time? Sure. Can it be a month, 2 months? Sure. But eventually, I believe these walls of China get gobbled up because there was people willing to pay 1820s for the OGs, even as it was going down. Those same people, I forgot about this card, they're gonna be coming back and willing to pay 10, 6, 7s, 8s, all the way up to 10 bones. So let's see how this one pans out. Then we have triple T's. Now with the thrust hype, everyone's forgetting about the other triple T's. The brothers. They're the triple T's brothers. One is triple tactics thrust, and now we have triple tactics talent here as an ultra rare. And look at this volume spike, guys. The volume is coming in. Wow, what a beautiful yearly chart. Beautiful yearly chart, man. Wow. I mean, these returns are better than the stock markets, man. Look at it. I mean, look at that. From 330s all the way up to, this is a 2x, man, right there. You got 100% return on your investment in 1 year. Wow, if the stock market gives you a 10%, people are making parties over that. So, hey, Yugioh is better than the stock market, as we can see here. Oh, wait, my bad, man. I forgot. Yugioh is not an investment. You know what I mean? My bad. I can't believe that people compare Yu-Gi-Oh to stocks and other. Wow, what a mindset. I'm not even going to go down that road right now. 36, hey, that's why they're Billy Boss, man. They're the ones giving me their money. You know what I mean? And giving us their hard-earned money, man. Hey, 36 listings here, 7 bones. And, yeah, don't let this be 10 bones. Please. See 7 here, but after that, 1s and 2s, don't let this be 10s. Don't be that guy paying a 30% increase from here once this card goes parabolic. Then we have Speedroid Teratop again. There's hype around the matchup of Goblin Bikers against Yugioh, and they use Teratops. Please look at this volume spike coming in. These are the buy signals. Look at this massive volume spike. These are the buy signals, guys, that no one else is looking at. If you made it this far out into the video, what are we? Half an hour in? You deserve these gems. You have a quarter century that is a $1.50, a Billy 50, a Bean 50, a Bone 50 right here. That's gonna be $5, man. Clean 3x setup right here, guys. Clean 3x. You can see the massive volume spike coming in. Please, I think there was Speedroid support as well, right? I don't know if it came out, it's coming out. Speedroid, or is it in crossover breakers as well? I'm not sure, I don't remember, but Speedroid support coming, plus Goblin Biker usage of this card. 2 + 2 = 4, man. Easy money, man. Easy work with these cards. I don't know how else to say it, man. Take advantage of these mini walls of China right here at a $1.50. You come in, you get exposure, because that's the key. At least a place. So just put $5, man. Just take $5, 5 bones. Hey, I'm on a budget right now. That's good. Then you invest in penny stocks. You put in 5 bones and you just wait. And then the 3x. 5 becomes 15s. Then you move those and then you recycle that into something else. Either hard cash, hard-earned cash that you might want, or, to trade for other cards that you want. Don't forget about your pieces of Exodia. I still need like 3 of them because I have 2 of these. I have 2 collections, like 2 sets of these, with the head sealed and then the pieces on the side. I have 2 of them, but that's for the collection. I'm not really a collector. When I mean collection, is like long-term hold, because if the price is right, they're gone. But you guys get what I mean. But then I want now, because I'm building Exodia, and I need like 3 more of these different pieces. It's hard, to know how many of what piece you have and stuff, because they all look the same kind of, you know what I mean? But yeah, I can't wait to build that deck. It's gonna look fire, especially with these Exodia pieces. These quarter centuries, they look really, really nice. So again, as you see this consolidation, you're buying the lows. You're buying the lows on the 3-month. Beautiful consolidation, man. This is when you want to buy. Volume is low, lack of interest. People forgot about them. People think that the tins are trash. I already have mine, so why should I buy more? This is when you buy. The lows, the floor price, the lack of interest, the blood in the streets. This is when you come and get all your Exodia pieces. Don't be that guy paying $5 and beyond for a card that was 2s forever. Don't do that. We don't do that. We have Bahamut Shark. Same deal. Toad got reprinted now in Bonanza. Toad got reprinted. I don't know how. Hey, Sharks. People, decks that can play 2 level 4 water monsters. They go into Bahamut Shark. Free Toad. Free Toad. Toad is cheap now. So again, don't forget about this piece. You see the volume is coming in now? Don't take these $2 sharks, Bahamut Sharks, for granted. This could easily be a $5 card one day, easily. After, yeah, massive walls of China. Yeah, hey, these things take time, but this is how it starts. With a little volume spike here, no one's paying attention, and then the card people continue to buy, it gets more scarce. Then you come back one day, 2, 3 months, 6 months down the line, and this card is a $5 quarter century. And whoever was buying it is up 2.5x, living good, eating good, living good to fight another day. Then we have Effect Veiler Secret Rare. Don't forget about this card. Please do not forget about Effect Veiler. These hand traps, they're just always used in the Yu-Gi-Oh meta, essentially. They cycle in and out, but they cycle more in than out. And yeah, this card was pushing almost 10s, retraced back down, and now respiking back up. So again, this is a beautiful secret rare. This will be, mark my words, most likely based on probabilities, a double-digit card very, very soon. So again, you want to be early rather than late. Just something to keep on your radar. Effect Veilers, man. Look at all these staples, man. These rarity collections, a beauty, honestly, if you ask me. Then we have Black Rose Dragon to top it off here, a quarter century with all the hype going on with Edison, and now a bunch of people having other quarter centuries and other platinum secrets for their Edison decks. Again, they're gonna want to come out here and finish, finish blinging out their extra decks, guys. So again, look, there's people already paying $5.75s. There's Billy Bob's coming in. Oh my God, yo, Billy's out here paying almost double digits for a $5 card, man. Look at that. You go into these walls though. 65 listings is a $5 card, but after that wall, that's the key. This is the last wall of China, man. Right here before it's 550s with a lot of 1s and 2s, man. After that $5 resistance is broken towards the upside, gone, man. It's gonna literally do this, go parabolic. So again, this is gonna break the previous all-time high to $7.50 with the potential of going to 10s, man. This could be a double-digit card just off, the Edison hype. A lot of people building Edison decks now, finally getting their reprints. They're gonna come back, be like, yo, what am I missing? What quarter century? Black Rose? Damn, they're gonna come back. And this card that came not this year's 10s, but last year's 10s, that was supposedly trash as well. They just don't know, man. So I can't blame them. Guys. If you made it this far out into the video, make sure you subscribe. Just double check with your boy. Make sure you share this just in one place. In your group chat with one friend. It really goes a long way. Double check that you're subscribed. It really does help. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. Stay fresh.